Is your dishwasher's lower rack looking worse for wear? Are rusted tines staining your good china, or are broken wheels making it impossible to roll the rack in without it derailing? It's incredibly frustrating, but it's also one of the easiest things to fix. Welcome back to HnK Parts, your trusted source for high-quality replacement parts across the USA. Today, we're ditching that rusty old rack and sliding in a brand new one. We are focusing on the Frigidaire Dishwasher lower rack, so how do you know it's time to replace yours? First, look for rust. Once the vinyl coating cracks and the metal rusts, that rust will transfer onto your clean dishes. Second, check the tines. If many are broken or bent, your plates won't stand up properly, leading to bad cleaning results. And finally, the wheels. If they are missing or the axles are broken, the rack won't stay on track. The good news? Replacing this requires zero tools and about 10 seconds of your time. To remove the old one, just open the door, pull the rack all the way out until it clears the tub, and set it aside. That's it. Then, take your brand new, clean rack from HnK Parts. Line up the rear wheels with the tracks on the door, give it a gentle push, and roll it right in. Your dishwasher is looking brand new again. Don't deal with rusty dishes another day. If you need this exact Frigidaire lower rack, head over to HnKParts.com right now. We offer fast, reliable shipping all across the US to help you get your kitchen back in order quickly. For more quick tips, appliance hacks, and easy repair guides, make sure you're following HnK Parts on social media. We love connecting with our DIY community. If this video helped you solve your dishwasher headache, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and happy repairing.